some very exciting news. We have been working really hard behind the scenes to bring more opportunities to members of our club. Hi Jacqueline. And I'm going to be telling you very briefly today about the latest opportunity, and it is by no means the least. It's just the first of many more to come. If you have not come across the Fairy Chic Club yet, then you seriously need to check it out. I'm going to put a link in. Hang on, I'm going to try to. There we go. There we go. That is the link that you can go and look at, not now, but when we're done, to check out what's going on in our club. The brand new opportunity that has come this week, and there are lots of opportunities for you if you are looking to expand your business, if you are looking to earn some money. We are trying to make that a real thing for all of our members that want to. And so although the group is also for people that are creatively wanting to learn and expand their skills too, I'm going to be focusing today on talking about our latest opportunity to make some extra money. So Carol, my ambassador, has been working long and hard behind the scenes to come up with it's an amazing piece of work. A lot of work has gone into it to give us as a club an affiliate program, a completely transparent affiliate program. So you can invite your friends, if you become a member, you can invite your friends to join the club, and you will get a kickback, a financial kickback for every member that joins for as long as they are a member. And it's been so well designed that you will basically get your own page where you can log in. And if you've got, for example, a website and you are putting, there are images already waiting for you with the code next to it to be able to embed it into your website. So if you were to do that, you can then go back onto the members page and check the clicks to see if it's on the right page of your website, how much interactions have got. So it will show you where people have clicked. Then it will show you if they've clicked further and maybe nearly thought about it and got there but then decided not to. And then it will also show you that the people that have actually clicked and signed up as a direct result of your affiliate link. And so you will then be able to track how many referrals you've made, how many you can put in dates to see how many referrals you've had this week, this month, this year, and you will be able to see directly, transparently, exactly how much money will be coming back to you as a result. So it's a really exciting opportunity, and it's been really professionally put together to give everybody yet another opportunity to make money within the Fairy Chic Club. So if you weren't already aware of some of the other ways that you can make money in the Fairy Chic Club, we have coming very shortly the ability to be able to upload your own tutorials and your own kits to go with those tutorials that you can charge Joe Public for. And you can also charge members in the club, although members in the club will always have discounts that are applied specifically to members in the club. There will be a directory too, a craft directory for all professionals that are in this kind of creating business to be able to have their own page advertising all of the services that they as a business offer, all of the products. It doesn't have to be Fairy Chic, it's about you advertising your business, your strengths, your services to a very busy active website. So hopefully you will be getting lots of traffic to see exactly what you have to offer. There are also within the club membership offers where we are offering each other products at a discounted price. There is also, depending on the level that you get, join, a varying amount of discount on, of course, all Fairy Chic products. If you join at the highest tier level, you can get a massive 40% off all Fairy Chic products. So if you are interested in retailing and selling, that's a really good wholesale price, and you should get a really decent profit back. And there is no restrictions on how much you have to buy in, and there is no push or need to keep ordering every month or every 3 months at all. That's entirely up to you to make your business work, and again, you will have access to the directory and the other resources that we have got. We are already an amazing supportive community. I've met most of my bestest friends within the club. We are all helping and pushing each other, and the lives that are coming out of our group are outstanding. Everyone is building confidence, building YouTube videos, building lives, building tutorials. I'm just so very proud to be part of such an active community that are really supporting each other and helping each other make that happen. So today was predominantly to talk to you and let you know that we now have very securely and in place, up and running, completely transparent affiliate program, so that as soon as you join, with any luck, if you can invite your friends to join, your membership will be free. So what have you got to lose? All you need to do once you've joined is get access to your affiliate code, and you can post it wherever and anywhere you want. You can post it on a business card, on a flyer, in your workshops, on your website, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, anywhere at all. And if you get a referral, you'll be able to see exactly where they clicked, when they've clicked, what time of day they've clicked, and that they've gone all the way through and joined our club, joined our lovely little club. So hopefully your friends will see how fabulous it is. And one of the things that have happened this week in the club, in the Magical Palaces, and it is back to front, I know, but I have done a tutorial this week from start to finish for members of the Magical Palace, literally from start to finish, on taking them through the process of crackling, image transfer, aged writing, as you can see. And we did that together for a whole hour from start to finish. And these unique tutorials that are not going to be shown anywhere else, they will be up for sale at some point in the future to Joe Public, but they will not be seen anywhere else for free, and they will always be seen first by people in the club. So you want some creative skills and some fun stuff, and it's not all just coming from me. We've got other people coming in doing tutorials and showing you and sharing you their skills as well. And it's not just furniture painters. We have got a lot of furniture painters, but we've got artists in there, we've got crafters in there, we've got people that have sewing fabric shops and are going to be selling fabric kits for all of us that might have one area that we spend most of our time on. But I love sewing too, and I can't wait to get my hands on that too. So this is a real community for all creatives, and an opportunity for anyone that is listening and watching. I can see lots of my lovely members making lots of lovely comments. Thank you. It is the best. It really, really is. And I know I'm biased, but wanted to make this short and sharp and punchy and just tell you about it. And I'm going to be popping on because we've got more new stuff coming as well. Everyone in the club always hears it first, and they've heard this earlier on in the week. But now I'm telling you, and I'm hoping that some of you will want to pop over and have a look at what the club's all about and what we could offer you and your business and your creativity. So I hope to see you popping over there as soon as we get off. The link is in the feed. You can just scroll up and find it, or scroll down and find it, depending on what your gadget's doing. And we'll see you over there. All right, bye.